Well, if you're driving in the Outback for an extended period, one of the regular checks that you're going to want to do on your car is the air filter. Now, driving in dusty conditions, that air filter is working mighty hard to keep all of that dust and grit out of your engine. So, easiest thing to do is to locate the air cleaner under your bonnet, and if it isn't immediately obvious as to how to get to the element inside, just have a look at your owner's manual. In the case of the BT50, pop up the clips and inside is your air filter element. Now, we've been driving in the Outback for about a week, so it does look a little bit dusty, but don't fret, this is quite normal. And if you're a little bit worried about it, you can always give it a bit of a bash out to get some of the loose dust out of it, or if you've got your air compressor with you, pop the nozzle inside and just blow from the inside out to get some of that loose dust out. Now, look, a lot of people do carry a spare filter with them. I reckon you'd want to get it a lot more dirty than this before you consider changing it over. These are quite expensive. Now, there is one other thing that you should have a look at while you're in here, just to make sure if your air filter element has been seating correctly. Now, if the element is seating correctly, this nice foam here will form a nice sort of soft barrier and stop dirt from getting sucked in under the chamber. And the best way to tell that you have got a nice seal between your element and the chamber is to have a look inside the bottom of the chamber. You should see that it's significantly cleaner in the center than it is from the outside, where all the dust is getting drawn in from the outside of your vehicle. If that inside's clean and it's clean running up into the intake, you know that your air filter's doing a good job. Once you're satisfied that everything's pretty shipshape, give it a bit of a clean, get any loose dust out, might as well do it while you've got the chance, and then it's just the reverse of what you did before. Pop it in, make sure you got the little locator lug right there lined up correctly, put it all back in, make sure your clips are done up tight, and you're right to go.